Alright, so first time running Zora cargo bike. Actually I'm going to pick up my kids from school. Then because they actually wanted yesterday when I was unboxing it, but I was not sure how to use them. So today I kind of set it up, checked everything working fine, and now I'm gonna pick them up. So let's see how fast I can go on the throttle only. So it's 16 on the display, 18 on the GPS, 19, 21, 22, 23 and a half, 24 and a half, 25. $26. So I would say very solid 26 on display, 26 on GPS, and that's actually very fast for a cargo bike. I weigh 215 pounds, so if you light it, maybe even go faster, because without load, go up to 30.8 miles an hour, which is actually pretty fast. And you can feel the torque. And I like so far this bike better than I tested before, like with the mid-drive, because this thumb throttle helps you to start riding the bike. And for the first time I'm gonna try to ride with my kids. And the throttle works independently from speed, the pedal assist. So basically you can go up to the full throttle when you want to, regardless what pedal assist level you set it up. Some bicycles have set it up, let's say level 1, the speed will be only up to the level 1. So this one, full throttle right away. And I believe you can change in the settings. Okay. It does come with a headlight and tail light. I'm gonna show you also a brake light. So fully loaded bike with very nice hydraulic brakes and powerful motor. The kids are very excited. They can climb to the back seat by themselves. Actually, I did assist my son to get in, but later on he were able to get the bike himself. And if you want to look the coolest dad at school or anywhere you go with your kids on this bike, the cargo bike, it's a way to go. I got a lot of compliments. While I was waiting for the kids, the other students were asking me if I can ride them as well. And now we're gonna go for a ride, so to test it out, to see how fast this bicycle can go. Also, there's a big benefits riding the cargo bike anywhere to school or grocery. It's basically a replacement for the car. You can do many things on this bicycle, not only to carry the kids from school and to school, but also do grocery, actually do like dash and many other services, because it can handle a lot of weight. Actually, the pedaling, I'm on the pedal assist level 1 right now, level 2, going 30 miles an hour easily, 14, and speed number 5, gear number 5. How do you guys doing there? You are having fun? All right. So it's a lot of weight. We weigh about total, I am 215, they weigh about 100, probably 110, 120 pounds, plus the bags would be about 130. So it's about 345 pounds. And I'm going on the pedal assist level 2, 40 miles an hour, easy. I'm gonna reduce the speed level. And the bike handles pretty well actually, because the handlebar pretty wide and it's great. The braking system is pretty good. I'm gonna try to brake it. Okay guys, holding the rails, braking. The brakes works real good actually on this bike, because not only the system great, they don't squeak from beginning, works good. And they actually have a really good brakes for high-speed bikes and probably for the heavy one, because it's about 2.7 millimeters disc brakes, so it's almost 1.5 slicker than regular brakes. You want guys to ride around? Let's try to use throttle only and see how fast I can go. I'll go probably somewhere else, because it's a school over here. You cannot speed over here. Okay, let's go somewhere else and see how fast I can go on throttle only. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Throttle only. 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 23, almost 23, 24, and then I'll stop. I think it will make it 25, depending on the roads. Alright, so you guys having fun? Alright, that's all it matters. So let's go more and see. So I like the throttle versus to torque sensor or versus to the mid-drive. I don't know, if the mid-drive comes with a throttle, it might be a good idea as well, but the price would be like 3 times more, which is too expensive for these bicycles. You can buy a car, I guess. Nice working with the throttle. So pedal assist level 3 now. Oh, it's picking up speed really nicely, 17 miles an hour. And I supposed to receive also the mirrors, so it will help for safety when you're riding this type of bicycles. Also, you will receive the back seat in a mail as well. I was told it will be sent separately at the end of June. And Zora Master cargo bike has a lot of safety implemented features like throttle cutoff, tail light always on. Also, it has a USB port in case if you need to charge your phone or connect extra light. So braking system, it's one of the best I saw on the bicycle so far in this price category. And I like the hub motors much better from my experience versus to mid-drive riding this cargo bike, because it's much easier also to use a throttle. It has a lot of power. I rode about 15 miles on this bike and my battery was more than 50% alive on throttle only, mostly with 2 kids. So it does give you good range as well, and kids love it. And I'm planning to make another video how to use this bicycle, because it has some features not like other bicycles, so it would be helpful if you're planning to buy one of these. Please subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.